A team of the District Child Protection Unit along with Meghalaya Police went to Rimpu Bagan, the farmhouse of Bernard and Rimpu Marak at Endibari area, to collect the clothes and books of the rescued children on July 28, which were left behind due to police operation. During the exercise, they found one small door-like structure. When the door was broken open, with great shock and dismay, the team found and recovered as many explosives and weapons to the tune of 35 numbers of gelatin sticks, explosive substance, 100 numbers of detonators, 4 numbers of crossbows, and 50 numbers of arrows. All the items were seized in the presence of independent witnesses and shall be produced in the court shortly by the authorities. The recovered explosives and weapons will be added in the charges under Explosive Substances Act 1908 against Bernard and Rimpu Marak, said the statement from district authorities.